All right, sis, so you need to make 10K in 30 days? Don't worry, I got you covered. I know you're probably thinking, like, how can I do this? Is this even possible? Yes, it actually is. And I'm here today to break down a step-by-step on how you can do so. So here's the thing, I've been there. I'm a 33-year-old wife and mom of two who was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I was tired of spending my money before I was actually getting it. I was tired of my bills, paying them on the last date possible or having to do payment extensions. And I was tired of my husband working 2 full-time jobs and missing out on key and sentimental moments in our kids' life. So I decided, you know what, enough is enough. Had no idea that I was going to be able to learn how to consistently make 10K months, but I'm so glad that I did. In today's video, I wanted to share my secret and a step-by-step blueprint on how you can make your first 10K online with a done-for-you digital product called Digital Wealth Academy.
For other girls on a mission like me, mission like me, mission like me. Get that money, mission like me, mission like me. For other girls on a mission like me, mission like me, mission like me. Get that money.
Hey everyone, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Sierra Janae and I'm a wife and mom of two, and I help moms and so many other women make money online with digital products, preferably done for you digital products. And I am here to tell you that y'all, making money online is not as hard as people make it seem. No matter your age, ethnicity, or background, you are knowledgeable in something and you have the power to solve someone's problem. That is all it takes to monetize your skills online and make money. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you my strategy to hit 10K in 30 days with Digital Wealth Academy. Y'all, this course literally changed my life and it gave me the blueprint to success and many others that I've mentored in the past. All right, so obviously step one, you're gonna get Digital Wealth Academy. End of story, point blank period. Yes, I'll have it linked down below. I know a lot of you have probably heard that you can create your own digital product. You can open up ChatGPT, have it give you some ideas, take those ideas into Canva, open up a template, and boom, right? And you definitely can do that. But let's be honest, we're trying to make 10K in 30 days. So creating your own product, it takes time. It could take days, weeks, even months to learn how to create the product, sell it, and even market it. And that's cool, but who has time for all of that? We trying to get to the bag now. Digital Wealth Academy literally is your cheat code for success. It is done for you Master Resell Rights course that's video instruction, self-guided, and let's mention, it's already popping. Digital Wealth Academy was one of the #1 courses inside of the school platform for digital marketing and sales. It's trending. People are buying it. All you have to do is jump on the train of selling it. Let me be real with you. You don't even have to pay off the full $497 to get started with it. You can use payment options like Klarna, where you can break this down into 12 monthly payments and pay $47. Or you can do something as simple as paying $125 down today to get started. But you can literally start earning while you're learning your business and building your business. All at the same damn time. Is once you download a Digital Wealth Academy, now you need to identify and really understand what is gonna be your niche in this. Now let me just say this, when it comes to finding your niche, it is important to understand if you are trying to talk to everybody, you will not reach anybody. So really think about and kind of ask yourself, who is it easy for you to talk to? What is that conversation like? What is something that you can talk about all day and not feel drained, not feel burnt out about? For me personally, mine was talking to moms and solving the mom's problem of, with inflation going on out here, not having to want to get a second job or not having to leave their babies because they have to supplement their income because it's not enough. So I help moms make money online by selling done for you digital products because we working smart and not hard and we don't want to leave our babies. That is my niche. So think about, maybe you're a college student and you want to supplement your income and help others do the same. Your niche would be, hey, I'm a college student that was looking for a way to make money online so I could be able to pay for my classes and be able to pay to afford to eat well. I don't know, but when it comes to your niche, it has to be something that you're passionate about and that you're not gonna get tired of repeating yourself over and over and over, because that's exactly what you're gonna be doing every single day. Just know that if you can solve a problem, you can monetize it, period. If you're stuck, let ChatGPT help you out. Here's a prompt. What are 5 niche ideas for someone who wants to help insert your audience solve a problem? Use this ChatGPT to help you guys create the niche or decide the niche that you want to go with. Don't overthink this, y'all. Pick your niche and let's move on. So the next step is you need to decide if you want to show your face or if you want to be faceless. Now let me keep it 100 with you. Being face forward is the fastest way to build trust online. People connect with people, but if you're shy, there's always ways to show yourself but not show yourself online. For example, you can, when creating your content, because this is going to be a huge part of how you're going to promote your business, you can create aesthetic videos where the lighting is a lot darker and you would have overlaying text over the screen. You can purposely put overlaying text over your face where you're not showing it. At the end of the day, how you show up online, how you film yourself is really going to be key. You just always want to give quality, make sure it's good lighting, make sure the video is of quality. Again, if you decide that you want to do this faceless and you don't want to use a whole bunch of stock content that's out there, please don't use stock content. We're so tired of the stock content. We're tired of the matcha. We're tired of the coffee, stirring the coffee. Like, create your own content, I promise you. It's going to help you stand out more. It's going to help people like, man, I haven't seen this before. Attraction marketing. Please create your own content, but get creative with it. As long as you're using trending sounds on social media, putting that on your thing, all you need is a 3 to 8 second video. But deciding rather if you want to do this faceless or face forward is going to be huge. People want to know who they're buying from. People want to know that you're a real person. With all of these scams and bots out here, it's just a lot easier to do this face forward. But to each his own. Keep in mind, if you do decide to go the faceless route, you do want to show up a little bit more online, because again, people don't know if you're a male, female, they don't know who's behind this brand. So again, by at least showing up every time consistently, and we're going to talk about this later in the video, that's important. Okay, so the next step is you're going to set up your social media pages. Now, when starting your digital marketing business, in this case, you have Digital Wealth Academy, but it's still important to kind of like brand yourself. You could be just a brand itself where it's not specifically a person. So like, for example, you could be millennial marketers. I don't know, just random name. You can go into ChatGPT and think of names as well, whatever like that too. But you can also just be yourself and be your name. I personally just use my name in my business, but when creating your social media, it's very important to create a bio that's clear, concise, and says who you're going to be helping and what problem you're going to be solving. So like, if you guys look at my bio here, this clearly states who I'm helping, what problem I'm solving, and why I'm solving it. Another thing that I think is really huge, and inside of Digital Wealth Academy, they definitely go into detail about this, but one thing I really want to mention and let y'all know is picking a color palette and having fonts is really key. Although I'm not an aesthetically pleasing person when it comes to my social media, I do think that it is important to resonate with brand. When you think of the brand Pepsi, you think of, blue, red, and white. When you think of Coca-Cola, you think of red and white. So at the end of the day, we want people to take us serious. We want our brand to really be a brand. So whether it's our name or a name that we've came up with, we want it to represent us, represent what we're doing, be impactful, because we want to stay in people's minds. Y'all have to understand, with making sales and making money online, people have to see you like 4 times before they want to buy from you or want to engage with you or want to convert with you. That's like a proven thing. So again, by having these stand out type of things, people are going to be like, oh, that's Sierra, oh, that's Stacy, because I seen green and white. She always got green and white. So really, that's something that's really huge when creating your social media. Another thing, and I feel like a lot of people sleep on YouTube, y'all. YouTube is, first of all, it never went away. It's so important to document your journey. For a lot of y'all, think about some of your favorite content creators. Maybe you've been watching them for 3, 4, 5 years, but think about their starting point and think at where they're at now. People love to go on a journey with you, but not only that, let's be honest, showing up and being consistent in your business also forces you to show up and be consistent also on YouTube, which in turn can help you reach 1,000 subscribers fast, 4,000 watch hours faster, which in turn can turn into another stream of income by monetizing yourself online with Google AdSense. So this is huge, and this is why I personally recommend that you start with social medias such as Instagram and YouTube. Again, y'all, we're serious and we're really trying to hit 10K months. So you are going to create a bio that's clear and concise and says who you help and what problem you solve. We're gonna pick the color palette and fonts, because branding is everything. Y'all, don't be mad at me, because again, you serious. You said you want to make these 10K months. So what you're gonna do is, as far as your posting schedule, you're gonna be posting 3 times a day, 5 days a week. And I promise you, this is what works. This is what gets the algorithm going. I tell you all the time, you gotta shake some ass for the algorithm. You gotta show her like you dedicated, you committed to this. And you're gonna post 3 times consistently every day. And on top of that, on Instagram specifically, you are gonna be posting 6 to 9 stories a day. I know this is a lot, but again, We are trying to make serious money, so we have to be really implanted in our business. Now, with stories, you're probably wondering like, oh, I'm not super creative. I don't know what to post. Inside of Digital Wealth Academy, and this is why it's a Done For You Master Resell Right course, if you go inside of the content vault, y'all, they give you different templates and things that you can post to your stories that's informative, that gives you information about DWA, literally everything that you need to do. You can go in there and change the fonts and colors, maybe put your picture, swap the pictures out in the background if that's something that you want to do to fit it to more to your branding. But literally go into the content vault inside of DWA and it has everything that you need to promote your business. And again, get creative with it. Either way, when it comes to social media, make sure that you are posting every day, 3 times a day. Whatever you post on Instagram, you can turn around and repurpose it on YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is another way to really grow your social media really quickly because YouTube is pushing shorts. But do not sleep on YouTube. People love authenticity, you guys. People love going on that journey with you, so do not sleep on that. All right, so the next step, what you're gonna do is you are gonna create a high value freebie. A lot of people think when you hear freebie, they think like, oh, I can just talk about or promote the sneak peek that comes with Digital Wealth Academy. And yeah, that's amazing and it'll help your customer, but let's be honest, even in the freebie, it's not the most hypest thing that's gonna get a person motivated to want to, you know, essentially kind of buy from you and buy your high ticket item, which is Digital Wealth Academy. So what you want to do is you want to create something that represents you or something that really resonates well with you, and that something that you essentially could charge somebody for, but you're giving it away for free. So different examples. And again, you can go into ChatGPT and have it provide you examples. Like, y'all, talk to ChatGPT like it's your homegirl, your best friend, your assistant. That's what I personally do. Maybe you could put together a quick little guide of here are 10 steps that'll help you reach your first 1K in digital products. And then maybe just do like a quick overview of purchasing your digital product. In this case, it could be Digital Wealth Academy. And then going through step by step of how to promote it, what you can do, but keep it very brief because again, we're giving this away for free, but also very detailed where it seems achievable for that person. And they're like, damn, she gave this away for free. That is the key to building a really amazing freebie. And then with having this amazing freebie, it's gonna put a call to action in whatever caption you decide to use when you're posting on social media. You could say things like, you know, wanna hit your first 1K in digital products, comment the word 1K and I will send you my free guide. If y'all don't know how to like create like captivating captions or whatever like that, again, we're gonna use ChatGPT. Y'all gonna hear me say ChatGPT a lot. But this is gonna build up your email list and it kind of warms up your customers to want to buy your future offer, which is going to be Digital Wealth Academy. All right, so then next you're going to set up your Stand Store. Stand Store is an amazing platform where you can host your digital products on, host webinars, host a community, which I just recently launched my community and mentorship program called Mom's Method. But literally Stand Store is the one-stop shop place that you have everything that you need as a business owner done for you. And if you guys are ready to get started with Stand Store, I highly recommend that you click down below in the description box and you can get a free 14-day trial on your girl of Stand Store, and I promise you, you're gonna love Stand Store. Stand Store is straight to the point. It has everything that you need in order to see success online. Stand Store is literally gonna be your money machine, girl, okay? Once you set up your Stand Store, you're gonna make this make it about your brand. Obviously, again, this is where those brand colors are gonna come in, whatever brand name you decided to go with, your name. Again, you guys, they explain all this inside of DWA. I just wanted to give y'all a quick overview. And then you're gonna actually upload DWA to your store as a digital product. So this is gonna be amazing, along with that amazing freebie that you create. So your next step is you're gonna be going live every day, okay? Now, again, y'all, you said you were serious about making these 10K months, but this is how you're gonna do it. I know going live can be intimidating, but honestly, going live is where the money come in and where the magic happens. And if you are someone that's nervous about going live, don't worry about it, I got you. I highly recommend that you get this script. This is literally the perfect thing, the template that you need that has an outline of how you should really kind of structure your lives in order to see success, in order to get sales. And when I tell you it works, it works. So if you are needing a script and really just like a base foundation to help you kind of guide your life online where you're not all over the place, download the script now. It'll be down in my description. But trust me, y'all, the more you show up online, the more eyes are going to see you, which means in turn, the more eyes you're going to see that are going to be on your business. In turn, that equals cha-ching, cha-ching. You don't have to be perfect. You just got to be real. Now look, y'all, if you are serious about making money online, this is honestly all you have to do. Literally, Digital Wealth Academy changed the game for me, and I promise you, y'all, it's a business in a box. The number speaks for themselves. When I got inside the Digital Wealth Academy, y'all, it was 42,000 people in there. It's 89,000 people in there. I know a lot of people think things are scams, MLMs. Not everything is too good to be true. Yes, I can make 10K months. I can make 30K months. Like, there is so much money out here to be made for everybody, y'all. You just gotta hop on a train, stop being scared, and invest in yourself. Stop thinking making money is hard. The hardest part is not starting and not investing in yourself. Alrighty, sis, this was my proven step-by-step strategy on how you can earn your first 10K. I promise you, y'all, do it the easy way. Don't do it the hard way. Yes, you can definitely go and create your own digital products, but again, we need the bag today. We need it today, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and leave me a comment down below what you enjoyed most. And I will see y'all on the next one.